Hey, I'm going to do a door swap here on this Toyota Tacoma. This door is no longer good. The window doesn't even roll down anymore. The locking mechanism's goofed up. It's toast. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this one off and put a new one on. So here's what we're up against here. I need to get these fasteners off. I need to get this disconnected, and then this disconnected, and this too, and the mirror as well. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna go for is this right here. So I'm just taking this and kind of prying this off. That way I can access this piece here. And I'm gonna remove that. Okay, here we go. We got a 10 millimeter right there. Got an impact cordless on that. There we go. Now I took a screwdriver. I'm just kind of scooting this out. There should be a connection in here. Door. So I'm gonna take this off. So I'm gonna undo this. Yep, that connection for the door should be right here. There it is. It's right in here. It comes up through here and right in there. These just snap in and out. Yeah, so for getting the door off, this thing just unsnaps right here. Just push that down and it'll pop right out. There we go. Just push it up through the hole. Boom, there we go. Now, all we got left is here and here. All right, to make this easy as possible, I'm gonna go ahead and actually undo it here first, because that way I can get, if I do undo it here first, I can get to those bolts better. So they're 12 millimeter, so I just cracked them with my, oops, wrong way. Just cracked them with my little open-ended wrench. You know, just kind of broke the torque. So I might end up pulling it all the way off with this, or see if I can get a socket in there. I wanted to make sure I could get these things untorqued. Okay, I'm undoing the bottom ones first, that way I can kind of hang on to the top. These ones up here. Okay, there it is with no door. Actually, I think I'm just gonna leave these things on here. Connect the new one right there. Okay, here's the new used one from the junkyard. So what I'm gonna do actually with this one is take this off. And this is black. The truck is green, but they didn't have green, so black was the closest. Okay, go ahead and take these hinges off. Okay, got the hinges off this one. 12 millimeter. Okay, got the new one on here, and so it helps if you have somebody else hold the door up and then you kind of guide it in, and it's more easy installed if you've got it in the open position all the way. So you can see I've got them all threaded in there. And then this push back through that hole, and then this is just gonna slide right back in there. Clip in there. There we go. Now connect this stuff here. Get these in first. I'll get these snug, and then we'll do this. Okay, I got the hinges all snug now, right there. I'm gonna go ahead and connect this to here. This one's just a little bit shorter, so let's see what we can do. I might have to close it a little bit and then connect it. Okay, not to worry. You're putting your new door on, and this thing seems kind of short, or it's in there. Take your screwdriver and kind of pry it away. I thought for a second that this was going to be too short, but it's actually a perfect fit, so it'll work. This just needs to be pried out and pulled out a little bit and line up with that. Okay, I got it pried out enough to where I can get my fingers in there. So I'm going to use the weight of the door to actually extend this when I need to. Just going to get it in there a little bit so it's got some grip. Now let's see, there you go. There we go. That's what we want. Go ahead and tighten that up real good. Okay, time to test this out. Oh yeah, perfect fit. Love it. All right, so now I'm just gonna replace this, and No, I need to run the vacuum in here a little bit. And then there, and put that stuff back on.